everyone, my name is Ashley Otori and I am from 7th Witch House. So today the potion we are going to be talking about is Demonic Pact. Now, the Demonic Pact potion has been a source of a lot of talk and rumor in the Magic community lately, and it's quickly turning into a bestseller. It retails for $150 and for good reason. A lot of people are interested in doing demonic pacts, and not too many people at all know how they work or how to do one. This potion is ready-made and ready to go, and will work on any of the 90 royal demons within the Royal Legion. If you don't know what I'm talking about, then you may want to look at the orderofdarkarts.com and check out the book Introduction to Demonic Magic. You will find a huge source of information there. And there are, within that book, there are 90 sigils and 90 royal demons, and you can make a make a pact with any one of those, or you can make a pact with the demons of the Goetia, and you can find those sigils online. I definitely recommend the Introduction to Demonic Magic for accurate information on these, on the demons. But definitely look them up, see what their specialties are, and decide what you want. Now, with Demonic Pact, people all the time ask, are there boundaries? Are there's specific things I can't ask for? Obviously you need to be within reason, but you can still ask for pretty amazing things. So, you can't go and say, oh, I want to be master of the universe or something like that. You need to be a little bit more reasonable if you want a pact for lifetime financial security, extreme wealth, extreme beauty. If you want a certain mate in your life, things like that. It's definitely attainable with a pact. Now you will need to write a letter. You'll need this potion. This is the Demonic Pact potion. It is not charged, so if you if this was in the dark, it'd be glowing. But anyway, this potion, you'll need this potion, and then you'll need to have a black chime candle. You can use any black candle, but as long as you can engrave your name into it. You'll be taking a black candle. And usually when we put these in the packages, we include a candle, but it's not guaranteed. Our potions don't come with candles, but we're usually pretty nice and throw in candles if we have any extras. Now, you will need to write a letter to your demon. You'll pick a demon and write a letter to them and state your pact and state your offering. You want to give an offering. Usually it can be the potion is pretty much your offering. But you may want to include something else to sweeten the deal a little bit. Usually they like it when you get rid of a vice or something like that. Maybe like I'll quit smoking if I have this girl, or I'll quit, eating junk food for a year if I, have extreme wealth or something like that, or extreme beauty. Things like that. You may want to, you need to offer some kind of offering. Like I said, usually quitting a vice, or you can offer some money or things like that. But that's up to you. All you really truly need is to write your letter and state what you want, and then you will be putting 6 drops of this Demonic Pact potion on your letter. You'll make this a formal letter. You'll sign your name. You'll address it to this specific demon. And you'll put 6 drops of this potion and then 6 drops of your blood. So you'll need to draw your blood. Somehow you can use a blade or a razor, or, even those, diabetic needle things. You can do whatever you need to do to get 6 drops of blood. That's at your own risk. We're not responsible for how you do that. This cannot be done on minors. Minors cannot do a demonic pact. You cannot do a demonic pact for someone else. This has to be for yourself. It's a pact between you and your demon. This takes out a lot of the spell work, a lot of the chants and incantations, and that has already been done in the potion. It has already absolutely been approved, by the demons. So it works. It will work on any of the 90 in the Legion, and it will work with Lucifer as well. Lucifer is a wonderful one to do it with. I've done it myself, and they definitely come through on their end of the pact. So, like I said, it's 150, and you'll be putting 6 drops of this on your letter. After you write it, 6 drops of your blood. And then you will be taking a black candle, and specifically a black chime candle if you can, and you'll be carving your name into it. You can use a needle or something like that. You'll be carving your name into the side of the candle, and you'll be anointing it with 6 drops of potion as well. So you will have a beautiful little unity of 666, and you will be burning your letter through this potion. Through this candle entirely. You need to completely, it needs to completely turn to ash. Make sure all of it's burned. Be careful. Obviously, that's at your own risk as well. But you need to run this through the candle, and make sure it's anointed with 6 drops of potion. And while it's burning, you need to be chanting your demon's name. So say your demon is sea tree. Just chant sea tree, sea tree, sea tree while it's burning. And then you are done. There's plenty potion in here to where you could probably do several packs, but I really don't advise that. Each bottle is meant to be done, you're meant to have a pact with a specific demon. So just do 1 demon per bottle. So you'll need to buy other bottles if you're going to do more than 1 demon, but you can redo your letter. Make sure it's the same letter. If you're going to do this again as a reminder to your demon, you can do it 4 times in a month. So you do it once a week, but don't do it any more than that because it's insulting. Anyway, you really only need to do it once, but a lot of people like to, do things more than once. So if you have to, you can do it once a week for 4 weeks. But like I said, all you really need, 6 drops of potion on the letter, 6 drops of blood on the letter, 6 drops of potion on the candle. Run your letter through the candle, burn it entirely, and then you are done. You will, a lot of times you will, some people have gotten, makes you nervous. Some people have gotten full evocations, but you definitely will feel something. If you don't, then try it again a week later, but your demon will hear you. That is part of the potion. That's why it's so expensive. It's a guaranteed pact. So make sure it's also reasonable. Beauty, sex, wealth, things like that. Great, jobs. That's a great thing to do packs for. You're going to be doing something like, Master of the Universe or something like that's going to be a little bit, it's kind of childish. You don't want to do something that's completely out of reach. So, demonic pact, do it. And you usually start seeing your results right away. Lots of people have been leaving reviews and talking about this on Etsy, and giving us messages and reporting back, and cannot believe how fast their life changes. So thank you so much, and we will see you around for the next potion.